we all gladly invite you to the class box office here on CDO.
Sunny day is waiting outside for you, but where are you going? Don't even try to get outside. Be here and enjoy your own CDO.
Oh, Bhavya. Always forgetting the right thing. You forget to tell our highlights. They are...
Ooh, stop you, Tiger. Everything has a correct time. And this is time for the, not for the show, it's time for the music. So peak at the volume with Kolawari. Stop. Why is always there a necessity of elder one? Music is entire life. Let us enjoy a real life of celebrity. Woohoo! Hope that this star will twinkle in your hearts. Good morning to all of you and welcome to Bada Bada with Bajri Bhavya. Today we are going to meet a great celebrity who by her work has stolen our hearts. She has been working since 10 years and is the youngest person to win an Oscar. Well, enough of the waiting. Let us invite Miss Leon Gandhi to the show. I'm so grateful to see you here.
So me too, and thank you for inviting me to the show. I always wanted to be in here.
My pleasure. Please take a seat.
Oh yeah.
So, first of all, congratulations on your 10th anniversary in Hollywood.
Thank you.
Tell us, how was your experience in the field in these 10 years?
It was just like a child given a candy and he enjoyed it slowly. I was able to enjoy every moment of my career and also the luxurious life that I'm living right now is giving me a feeling like I'm the great queen of the world. It gives me a shiver sometimes.
Oh, okay. Then what was it that put you towards this field?
My father was a puppeteer and I used to help him in his work and I was good in that too, and at that time we didn't used to have these things like TV in the village in Scotland, and at that time I had always learned to see movies, and when I got chance I used to imitate the actors in it, and one day a film was shot in our area and I was selected as a child artist. That was my beginning. From that, the step just went up and down, paving a career for me.
Oh, that was really touching. So, as you said, you're from a small village. So, then how did you manage to mingle with such a big city?
The director who shot my first film came as my angel. He brought me this home and I started living here. I started to meet new people and it was just like going through dreams. Not only one dream, but a lot of dreams.
Okay, everyone knows that you are an Oscar holder. Who would you dedicate it to?
Of course, my father, who gave me the inspiration to get into this field.
Okay, you are also famous for being a nature lover. What was your aim behind joining this campaigns?
I feel that nature is the only reason for us to be here at this moment. And I just can't stand back and see getting it destroyed. So I just start these campaigns.
Okay, that's good. In spite of all these, you still managed to produce 2-3 movies in a year. How many films can I expect from you in the coming time?
Oh, sorry, Bhavya. I'm so sorry to inform you that a few only. I have decided to leave the film industry and concentrate on my personal life much more.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. But still, we have some more time left with you. So, would you like to convey some message to your audience?
Thank you. I will be glad to. Never take acting as a piece of cake because it is a piece of wood, a hard wood that you really need to chew on. And never lose your confidence just for being a small person, because sometimes even small things can make a huge difference.
A good message for you, buddy. Well, Miss Curtis, we had a great time with you.
Oh, thank you. It was a real adventure.
But goodbye now. Okay then, friends. Meet you another time at same place, same show. Bada Bada with Bajri Bhavya. Don't miss it.
Now friends, tell me, what is their day is going to be good, worse or bad? So let us check out with our show, Aapke Sitare.
एक वीकली एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल शो आपके डायरेक्ट प्रेजेंट में पहचान है सितारे. I know that you all are eager to know your future. So let's start. Let's start with Aries. Quite a good week on the financial front. Cash flow shall do, and you shall have the required money for new ventures or projects. But Thursday, Friday needed to be avoided for any important pursuit.
Because it is a relatively light day, but the pressure seems to be easier, and you shall be in a lighter mood too. Thursday or Friday or caution day, respect your finances.
Now move on to January. The first of the week goes your way in every sense. So have your wishes ready and go about completing your task before Thursday.
Cancer. Communication, family and love, that is emphasis this week.
Now move on to Leo. Finally, the good time will come back again after some very tense week. Your confidence in yourself returns. More time and attention will be needed to give and to get.
Virgo. Excellent financial vibration. This week suggests that you should capitalize and book profits on whatever smart games you have already made, be it through property or other means.
Now talk about the people of Libra. Most of you might feel some reservation about superficiality of casual friendship, or some of you feel self-conscious about doing right things. Benefits may not be immediate, but they will surely arrive down the ground.
Scorpio. Achieving your goal comes more easily now as the sun is powerfully placed in the chart.
Now talk about Sagittarius. Your luck improves, opportunities keep pouring in, but be alert.
Capricorn. A week to concentrate on existing work and cashing in on new opportunity as Venus moves through your sign.
Now talk about Aquarius. The momentum of work picks up from Tuesday. Midweek seems good, but toward the weekend, professionals may not be happy at the pace of progress at work or with unfulfilled tasks. And the last but not the least, Pisces.
Positive attitude will bring positive circumstance into your life.
That's all for today. But if you have any question or problem, you can contact us on 828-812628. Meet you next week, same day, same channel, same program, same time. That's all.
Okay friends, now time for another life. Enjoy a pretty puppet skit introducing future puppets, us humans. Hey dear, get up. The guests are on the way. Dad, I have told you many times that I don't want to marry. Just shut up and get ready for your interview. Knock knock. Knock knock. Somebody knocks the door. Hello, Mr. Shukla. Hello. How are you? I am fine. You don't. Your son didn't come today, and who is this young man? He is my brother.
Hello, Mr. Shukla.
Neha enters. She is my daughter Sheila.
Oh good, she is so beautiful. My son will like it.
Phone rings.
Brother, I have to go for some urgent work. Sorry for your inconvenience.
It's okay. So the marriage is finished. Congratulations to you.
When will you come for finalizing of the date of marriage?
I will inform you before my entrance. Namaste.
Congrats Sheila for your marriage. Dad, I have already told you that I don't want to marry. Just get inside the room and shut up. You will come outside only before the day of marriage. After 2 days. Someone knocks the door.
We have gotten information that in this house and there is an underage girl and she is going to get married.
I have told you that there is no one. You have got the wrong information.
I want to check your house.
I have told you there is no one.
You just keep quiet and stand aside. Constables, just keep this man in our custody. Till then, I will check the house. Okay, ma'am. worry, dear. I will save you. Come outside.
My father forcefully wanted to marry me with his plans, but I didn't want to marry.
Arresian, don't you know that child marriage is a crime? You will be jailed. And dear, don't worry. Just be brave. No one will marry you forcefully.
Thank you and safe child marriage.
Hope that you will all try to keep the police away from your house. That's not the moral of the story. Anyways, who knows if you're safe outside too? Who knows when the 2012 mania would hit? Check out the latest weather update only on CBO.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are present for SPJ weather updates. Delhi's temperature is 8 degrees Celsius and minimum is 20 degrees Celsius. And then Mumbai's temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and minimum is 23 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today's news of Kolkata is Kolkata temperature is 23 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and Bangalore temperature is 26 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 30 degrees Celsius.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today temperature of Chennai is 28 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. And the temperature of Jaipur is 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 10 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much.
That's for today's weather updates. Thank you and have a nice day.
Whoa, I hope that was helpful for you. Now get ready. The storm of actors are going to hit our show. The guest actor's name and send your answer to... Haha, just joking, never mind. Well, enjoy film promotion of Desi Boys. Or only on Media Stars.
Good morning to all of you. We are here to promote a new film, Desi Boys.
So please pay attention, all of you. Our new movies released on Desi Boys. I hope you all like it.
Yes, of course. Akshay is such an entertaining film. That they will watch it.
Jai Ram Bharat.
Now, it is important to check out the daily news to know the world for every moment. So please check out our news with, I don't know what, but please check out our news with our two news readers, Pranjal and Shrishna. Good morning to all of you. Sunny. Alumni Day was celebrated on 17th December wonderfully. Boys' Theatre is not in well condition, so no one is allowed to go there. Two students of our class went for a day survey of science economics at Bahadurgarh. So, some students of our class may be going to Japan for maths and science cultural exchange program. Rest of the news by Shirjana.
Hello friends, did you know our new vice principal ma'am is Mrs. Vasudeva, which will handle her duty. Some NCC students of our school will be going to Saket on 23rd December to 3rd January. Our school will going to be closed on 23rd December for winter breaks. Thank you.
Really, that was incredible news. Now it's time something to eat. Some juicy, fruity, nutty, and obviously yummy fruit and nut ice cream right in our studio kitchen in the show Chef Ka Zaika, only on CBS.
Chef Aarti, Chef Lakshmi, and Chef Kritika are here to show a simple design fruit and nut ice cream. So, Chef Chandru, tell us the ingredients of the recipe.
The ingredients are dried fruits, chocolates, and ice cream of many flavors, for colored flavor, badams, and kaju.
So, let us start. Lakshmi, first of all, we take a ice cream of any two flavors. Then take a glass. Put 1 scoop of it in a large glass like this one. Then we chop the fruits in small pieces. We have some fruits like apple and bananas. We already chopped the fruits. Then add fruit on top of it, try to dip some into the ice cream so that from outside it would look like peeping out the glass.
If you want, you could add some cake pieces on top of it, and then the scoop of the another flavor ice cream on top.
Then we add some chocolates on top of it. And kaju and badam. And also decorate with a strawberry and chocolate. So our fruit and nut ice cream will be ready. So hope that you all want to try at home this recipe at home. So enjoy the fruit and nut ice cream in winter time. We will meet same place, same time, same show. Thank you.
Wow, that makes us hungry. Now, coming to the real world and its biggest question. Do we need mixed schools? Let our experts give the answers to it. Hope that our studio would not become a parliament. Check it out, please.
Good morning. Today, we all are here to debate on a topic that is co-education schools should be replaced separate with girls and boys. Well, it seems to be a good topic as it is becoming a serious matter to debate on. So, let's start the debate with Suraj, who is in favor of the motion.
Well, I think that there should be separate schools for boys and girls.
But for what reason do you think so? There is no reason to separate boys and girls as they are going to be together in life.
Together in life? What do you mean? At this so early stage, I consider...
Yeah, they are going to be together in life, but at such an early stage, I don't think that it's a good reason to say that they should be together.
If girls and boys study together, they may create a healthy environment.
But if you are coming to the real world, can you tell me that why are there separate sports for boys and girls like men's hockey, women's hockey, men's cricket and women's cricket? Can you tell me the reason?
Let me clear you. There are some stages when boys and girls need to be separated, but we don't separate on that reason. We don't separate boys and girls on that reason in schools. That is insufficient reason.
In schools. So, I have another question to ask. Can you tell me that why are there special privileges for women in our constitution?
Yes, of course. There are special privileges for girls in our constitution due to the reason that girls, or we can say women, get mentally and physically harassed in some households of our country. Also, don't forget, the female ratio is less than as compared to the male ratio. To make girls come forward and to make their future better, there are some privileges for girls in our constitution.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What do you think, Asif? Should they be separated or not?
Yes, they should be separated.
They don't need to be separated.
They are needed to be separated.
We are right.
Because there are certain
We are right.
differences.
I totally agree with us. They should not be separated. They should not be separated.
But I want to ask that there are certain differences between men and women, physically or mentally. So it is better to separate them.
No, it is not. They can manage and they can adjust to its schools.
They can adjust in co-ed schools, but I think that they should not study. They should not say that I can study in the same school.
With you. I think that co-ed schools are more similar to the real world. Yes,
Real world? What real world?
all students
I
now
just
believe it. I totally
I just gave an example of national or international.
No. This debate will continue for ages or centuries, but we don't have enough time. So, thank you all. Thank you all for coming to us. That all needs me a drink. Need a break. So, let's enjoy it. A break, please. God made trees. God made trees. God save trees. Take care of trees. And trees are nature gift. They make our lives sweet. Trees are evergreen. They make our life smoothly like cream. So, if you will save them, only when they will save you. Issued in public interest by the Ministry of Environment. Thank you. Hello friends, hope that you will save trees. Now, enjoy the film review of the most amazing, my favorite, your favorite, everyone's favorite rock star. Only on Bollywood Bus. Good morning to all of you. We are here to present you the review of the movie Rockstar, released on 11th November 2011. This film is directed by Imtiaz Ali. In the star cast, Ranbir Kapoor as Janardhan Jakhar, also called JJ, and Nargis Fakhri as he. The cinematography by Anil Mehta and its outstanding is shooted at Kashmir and Italy. And the music is by A.R. Rahman and has a soothing soul. It is a story of a struggle of middle-class boy from Delhi, and it's a romantic film. Overall, the film is an average movie. Now, my friends, the next part of the review is presented by my partners Shweta and Anshu.
Thanks, Anjali. A middle-class boy from Pitampura, Delhi, Janardhan has a big dream to become a rock star. However, he gets his failure and humiliation. Then he realizes that all great musicians have one thing in their common tragedies. Then he meets a beautiful but arrogant hero. She breaks his heart so that he suffered pain and achieved his potential to become a great rock star.
Next, both of you. The activity of Ranbir Kapoor and Ranjit is good. Ranbir has filmed a song of Ranbir Kapoor, chants are also there. The response of public is good, and performance at box office is above average. But it is a nice movie. I think everyone liked it. So, friends, let us meet at the same time, same show, and same place. And another movie review for you. So, good day, goodbye, and take care. Wow, Star really rocks. That was awesome. Now, time for some brainwashing. Let us see our with human race so far behind the corner. Enjoy our daily quiz by famous quiz maker.
Good morning to all of you. I am Tarun Kumar and I would like to ask you a few questions. My questions are categorized into 3 rounds. The first round is on international affairs, second is on national affairs, and third is from the cricket field. These are the 3 teams, Team A, Team B and Team C. If any question cannot be answered by the particular team, then it will be passed to the next team. In this way, that team will get the bonus point. And at the last of the game, the team that will have the maximum points, that will be the winner of the quiz contest. Now my first question on international affairs is for Team A is on which day Pakistan celebrates its Independence Day?
16 August.
Yeah?
16 August.
Your answer is wrong. It will pass to the team B. Yes, Kunal?
14 August.
Your answer is right. My next question for team B is, who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan? No one. It will pass to the team C. I will repeat my question. One miss. Who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan?
Yusuf Raza Gilani.
Your answer is right. But team B, yes.
अबे हमारे
एक का 0
Now my second round is on national affairs. My first question is for team A. Who was the father of Rajiv Gandhi? Yes, Yogesh. Your answer is right. My second question for team B is, who is the health minister of Delhi? Yes, Isha. Your answer is wrong. It will pass to the team C. Who is the health minister of Delhi?
Pass it to team A. Pass it to team A.
It will pass to the team A. Who is the health minister of Delhi? No. Team C. Who is the health minister of Delhi? Your answer is right.
Team C.
And the last question for team C is, who sang the song by this Collaborative? Yes, we know. Yeah? And my last round is from the cricket field. My first question for team A is, how many runs did Virendra Sehwag make in his ODI defense?
सर
Team A. It will pass to team B. Yes.
5 runs.
My next question for
Team B
is, who was the first ODI captain of India?
सचिन तेंदुलकर.
Your answer is wrong. Over will pass to the team C. Who was the first ODI captain of India?
Pass it to team A.
Your answer is wrong. My last question for team C is, what is the complete name of VVS Lakshman?
Yeah.
Vedugopal Venkateshwar Sai Lakshman.
Your answer is right. And the winner of the quiz contest is team C.
Now, that was the weight of our heads. But friends, everything in this world is not that costly. Enjoy our latest and best home remedies by Vinod Guru.
Hello everybody, I am your host Sagar and it's 9 AM. He is Dr. Vinod, a general disease specialist. Sir, you want to say something?
Yeah, of course. Today I will discuss some holy tips for the minor disease which is free from any side effect.
Sir, so shall we start?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Sir, the first letter from Ramesh Kumar from Ambala. His question is, what will be the treatment for cough and throat infection?
Okay, first of all, this is very common and most encountered disease. For this, Ramesh ji, take 2-3 slices of the ginger and 2-3 fresh leaves of the tulsi.